Congratulations on your acceptance to the school at Marygrove. It is exactly where you want to be if you're interested in social justice, project-based learning, getting out there and doing things. I'm Carrie Williams. I am the science teacher here at the school at Marygrove. I currently teach earth science to 11th grade, and these are my 11th graders out at the Rouge River watershed making a positive difference. That's the kind of thing we do here. We don't just learn about concepts in isolation. We learn about concepts for a reason. How can I help protect our river? How can I improve the water quality in our river? Here we have the students out at the river. Here's one of the students removing invasive species, a threat in our ecosystem, identifying point sources of pollution, looking at some deer that call the area home, looking for benthic macroinvertebrates as an indicator of how good the water quality is. Conducting water quality tests to determine the chemical ranges of different components such as conductivity, pH, nitrates, phosphates, and dissolved oxygen. At the school of Marygrove, we look more of a systems approach. If we can get out and learn about the earth outside, then that's what we do. And we look at multiple factors to really get an appropriate idea of what is going on. Here are some students doing a similar thing at Belle Isle. Great day, but we got a lot of learning done and we collected quite a bit of data. Of course, we can't always be off on a trip. That would be lovely. So we have an outdoor classroom as well where we can plant, we garden. We're working to remove our own invasive species in this area. And sometimes we work in school. This next project we're going to look at is on-site mobile museum that we created called the Underrepresented Minorities in STEM. And each student took a small piece of it and created a interactive museum where you can walk down the path of life and see the kind of barriers that some students face and the opportunities and the requirements to get to STEM careers. Currently, there's not enough people of color and women in STEM fields, and so we want to expose that and highlight that. Just a few photos of the students interacting with the underrepresented minorities in Science Museum. So here's our barriers that you could see, and it had QR codes and steps you need to take to get to different careers in the STEM field: science, technology, engineering, and math. And sometimes we're in class acting things out. There's a real huge variety of activities going on here. Well, as you can maybe tell, class has started. We're getting to it. I hope you enjoy the presentation today and look forward to attending Marygrove this fall.